the population distribution map of India. Now, guys, when we are talking about the population distribution map of India, guys, is a relatively densely populated country. And the major reason why India is densely populated is, as you can understand, the presence of intensive agriculture that has given rise to a high birth rate in India. Apart from this, the other reason why India is densely populated is due to the presence of economically lower section of the society, which have also contributed to high birth rates. Now, when we talk about these high birth rates that are present in India, guys, these high birth rates are majorly concentrated in the region of Indo-Gangetic Plains. So whether it is the economically lower section or it is the intensive agriculture, guys, both the factors are contributing to high birth rates in the region of Indo-Gangetic Plains. Now, guys, in the region of Indo-Gangetic Plains, these high birth rates are majorly observed in region of Bihar, West Bengal, UP, Odisha, though Odisha is not a part of Indo-Gangetic Plains, as you know, and to a certain extent in Haryana. These are the major regions where we have relatively higher birth rates. Now, most of these people that are born in these regions have generally migrated to the nearby urban clusters. Wherever we are having an urban cluster, as you know, the urban areas are relatively more populated due to the economic opportunities. That is why, guys, these peoples have moved to the nearby urban clusters. And when they have moved to the nearby urban clusters, there are three areas in India which have become very densely populated. We have the Delhi-Chandigarh cluster, which is densely populated. We have the Western UP cluster, which is densely populated, and then we have the Cuttack Kolkata cluster, which is densely populated. So these are some of the areas where we are having a relatively high population density in the region in and around the Indo-Gangetic Plains. Apart from this, guys, there are many people who have also not migrated to the urban regions, are still present in rural areas in this region, and due to this, guys, the regions of Eastern UP, the regions of Central Bihar, and the regions of West Bengal near River Ganga are also having high population density. So the first thing that we need to understand is that the birth rates are high, specifically in the region of Indo-Gangetic Plains due to intensive agriculture and presence of lower section of the economy. Now, these people who are born in this region, most of them have migrated to the nearby urban clusters. And since they have migrated to the nearby urban clusters, guys, the urban cluster of Delhi, Chandigarh, the urban clusters of Western UP, and the urban cluster of Cuttack and Kolkata are relatively having a high population density. Apart from this, there are many people who have not migrated to the nearby urban clusters and are still present in their rural areas. And that is why in rural regions, guys, we are having high population density in eastern UP, central Bihar, and regions of West Bengal, which are present near river Ganga. So these are the major areas where we are having high population density in the region of Indo-Gangetic plains.